Hi guys, Shashank here from shashankgupta.net. Welcome to Black Bulk Mail tutorial. What is Black Bulk Mail? It is the smartest mailer on the earth. Yes, if you are planning to run an email marketing campaign, you can use this software. This is one of my favorite email marketing software. Why? Because I can send emails using Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook and AOL. And another reason why I like this tool because it uses webmail. It doesn't use SMTP server to send mails. So in this video later on I will show you how this particular tool will log in your Yahoo mail account, and it will click on compose and it will compose the whole email and send on your behalf. Also, why I like this tool, because you can create your own sending template to send emails. What I mean by this is that if you have any other email ID which you want to use to send email apart from Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL or Outlook, you can create a program using Bot Chief Editor and run it into this software. Like if I want to send emails using Rediffmail, I can create a template and I can start using Rediffmail to send emails. So now let's see what we will learn in this video. In this video, we will learn how to set tasks to send emails, how to add email accounts, how to create email templates, proxy and other settings, open amount and other reports once we complete the sending, add yourself sending templates. Let's move to Black Bulk Mail software and implement the same. You can see this is the interface of Black Bulk Mail. Here you get couple of options: task, account, template, settings and so on. We will be creating a task, but before that we need to add accounts. So first in accounts we will give a category name, say Yahoo. As I'll be using Yahoo emails in this, I'll create a category called Yahoo. Now I can import by putting your email account and password here and add it, or if I have a list of email ID and password, I can import it using import function. As I use Yahoo email into other programs also, so I need to import them with proxies, otherwise my account will get banned. Hence I have kept in a format of email, password and proxy. So for that purpose you need to have your email ID, password, your proxy username and password. This is the format in which you can import your Yahoo email IDs into this program. So now we have added a category called Yahoo and we will import accounts into it. I have accounts in a txt file which I'll import here. So I'll click on import accounts and Yahoo. As you can see, my Yahoo accounts, password and proxies have been imported. So this is how you will import your accounts, Yahoo accounts for sending mails. Now we will move and create a template. For creating a template, first give a name to it. I have given a name called doctors. Now here you can create a txt template text file, or you can create a HTML template. I'll create a HTML template. I'll click on HTML. Now here you can even add image in your emailer. I have already written an email, so I'm going to send this email to all the doctors telling them that I have introduced a patient management software recently and I'm offering a 1 month free trial of it, so they can avail the benefit by signing up through this link. So I'll copy paste this email here. Now I want to add the logo at the end, so you can add an image as well. How you can do that? You can upload it on your server, or you can go to a site called tinypic.com and choose a file. I'll upload this. It's an image and I'll click on upload now. Now it will ask me to fill a captcha. So I have filled the captcha. Now it is uploading the image. So this is the HTML for website. This is the code which I need to copy and put it in my mailer. So just don't paste like this. Go in source code and paste it here. So this is how you will get the image also inserted and your email. You can save this by clicking save template. Yes, we have forgotten to put a subject. So I'll write the subject patient management software and I will save this. Now we will check couple of settings and then we are ready to send this mail. Now let's check the settings. You can import proxies here by and enable the proxy and import your proxies and bind your proxies with your account. As I have already bind my proxies with accounts, that's why I'm not adding and enabling proxy here, but you can do it. Now the other settings, you can need to put captcha settings in case Yahoo email ask for captcha, the program will fill it. You have manual plus that by captcha, you can put that. This is a folder where this program will save cache file, so you need to make sure that you clear it time to time because this takes a lot of disk space. So when you are running this program, you can come after some time and check if it is taking space. You can clear this. This is a debug mode. If you want to see this program running, how it is logging in your Yahoo account and clicking on compose and filling up the data, sending the mail, you can click it. If you do not want to see that, you can unclick it. I want to see and I want to show you how this program works, hence I'll click on this. Now let's go and run the task. As we have our accounts and templates ready, so I'll create a task. I need to click on this. I'll give a name patient management software. I'll use Yahoo email IDs and the template called doctors. Now I need a list of email IDs to whom I need to send this email. So I'll load email IDs. I have already scraped these email IDs, so I'll use these email IDs. Using txt file doctors and import. So as you can see, we have 30 email IDs imported here. I'll click on next. Now in this setting, you want to send it using 2CC or BCC. So you can choose that. I'll send it to. How many emails you send with one login? At one login, you want to send how many emails? So if you want to send it to 2 people, you can make it 2. If you want to send it to 5 people, you can make it 5. Right now I will keep it 1. Wait time between 2 send, you can keep the time at least 5 seconds. So one mail is sent, after 5 seconds it will start sending another mail. If you are not using proxies, you can do that. If you are using proxies, you can leave it to 1. Send threads amount, how many threads you want to run. If you are using more proxies, you can increase this. Right now for showing purpose, I'll use 1 proxy. Enable seed email. So what this particular option means, that you can put your email ID. After this program's complete sending 100 email, it will send you an email confirming that this program has already sent 100 emails. Loop to send until all mails are sent, and enable open mail statistics. If you want to enable all these options, you can, to get more data. I do not want to do that, hence I will not click on it. I will let this last option enable and finish it. Now task is ready and we will start this by clicking on run task. Sending all. Now a window will pop up and you will see how this program will log in your Yahoo email account and will compose a mail and send it. It has logged in Yahoo email. I will click on compose. It will put subject and the data. As you can see, everything has come, and now it is sending mail sent. You can see your message has been sent message. So this is why I like this software. It is logging into your webmail and sending the mail. It is not using SMTP, so the success is more. Now it is going to send another mail using a different email ID. Now you can see here, you can see in the task log that visiting page, login successful, send successful, and now it is using another email ID and sending it. I'll minimize this so that you can see it. I personally used this software and I really liked it, and I decided to create a video tutorial for this so that you all can use this wonderful tool. It is putting a email ID, subject line, again matter, and sending it. Now it will logged out from this account and it will log in another account. So as you can see, send successful. So far it has used 2 accounts and it was successful. Now I will pause this video till this completes couple of email, and I'll come back once it is done to show you the results. Okay, I'm back and the program is still running. I'll show you a quick task log. So far it has completed 16 activities. In that, all was successful, send successful, send successful. Now I have included one of my emails into this, and I'll just show you whether I have received the email or not. So I'll just logged in into account, and you can see that this is the email ID which I had used to send in the task log, the second email using this particular account, and we have received this email. So this is how we can use this particular software for our email marketing needs. I'll share the links from where you can purchase this, and you will also get a 20% discount on this. And if you have any issues running this, you can contact me. So now I'll pause this video and I'll share other details into this. Now we have completed, we have sent 5 emails so far, 25 are left. Now let's see open data. Now we have clicked it and we will refresh this and see if how many people have opened this, our emails. So out of 5, 1 email has been opened. So you will get all data regarding the sending in open amount, how many people received this email, and out of them how many opened this. This is all data you will be getting here. Now next is add your self sending template. Now at present it supports Outlook, Yahoo, AOL, Gmail. You can add your custom use, like I am adding Rediff Mail. Same, you can also add your own using Bot Chief Editor. It is not so difficult. Once you learn Bot Chief Editor, you can easily add your template, and that would give you more success in your email marketing campaign. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will soon share the link from where you can buy this software. If you have any questions, leave them in below comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading a lot of videos regarding marketing tools. See you in the next video. Thank you.